In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use bar replay on Tradingview step by step, 2025. Bar replay is a powerful way to practice reading price action, test strategies, and sharpen your timing without the pressure of a live market. To get started, open Tradingview and head to any chart you want to practice on. You can use your browser or the Tradingview app. Either way works. The time frame and symbol you're already on will be used for the replay, so choose whatever you want to review. If you're using a free plan, just remember that historical intraday data may be limited, which can affect how far back you can replay. Next, look at the top toolbar and click the bar replay icon. It looks like a small play button. As soon as you click it, your cursor will change and you're ready to choose your starting point. Click directly on the chart to select the exact candle where you want the replay to begin. Tradingview will hide the candles to the right of that point so you can experience the chart as if it were unfolding in real time. This helps you avoid seeing future data and keeps your practice honest. Once you've chosen the starting candle, the replay controls will appear at the bottom of the chart. You'll see play, pause, step forward, and speed options. Press play to start the replay. The chart will begin printing bars one by one based on the speed you've selected. If you want to slow things down to study details, adjust the speed to a lower setting. If you're reviewing a long period and want a quicker overview, increase the speed to move through the data faster. Use pause whenever you need to analyze a setup. Check how your indicators react, or take notes. Step forward is great for going bar by bar, which is perfect for practicing entries and exits without rushing. Many traders use this to simulate decision-making at each candle close. If the action is moving too fast or too slow, tweak the speed on the fly until it feels right for your practice. When you're done, click Stop to exit bar replay mode. The hidden candles will reappear, and you'll be back on the live chart view. If you ever select the wrong starting point, simply stop and start again. It only takes a second. That's all you need to start using bar replay effectively. With consistent practice, you'll build confidence and improve your timing. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.